So today we're going to be completing a problem string, which we know is a sequence of problems that are supposed to go together to teach you something. And that something that you're learning today is about different strategies for subtraction. I want to emphasize, we are not using standard algorithm for subtraction today. I know it's what we're comfy in. I know that we really just want to use standard algorithm and it'll all be fine, but we want to have other strategies to make sure that we're solving correctly. We understand what subtraction is and how to perform it, why we do certain things in standard algorithm. It'll support our understanding of standard algorithm. And we want to be efficient. We want to be efficient mathematicians. So if a certain strategy is more efficient in a scenario, then why not use that strategy other than the one you're constantly comfortable with? It'll give you a better mathematical understanding. So the first strategy we're going to talk about, and you kind of see it on the board, is finding the difference. So we've talked about what that word difference means in math before. It doesn't mean, oh, the difference is that one number is even and one number is odd. No, the difference means the mathematical space between two given numbers. They give us an example in this word problem, wherever this is on the board, either there, I'm not sure. So it says, Jason's grandfather is 82 years old. His grandmother is 79 years old. How many years older is Jason's grandfather than his grandmother? So it's asking us to find what is the difference between their two ages. So I'm going to use this strategy with using a number line to find the difference between their ages. So when I'm finding the difference, I'm finding the space between these two numbers. So I'm going to plot the first one. I'm going to plot 79 years old. And I'm going to plot 82 years old. So I could solve if I know that the difference between 79 and 82 is 3, because I know if I add 1 and add 2 more, that would be 3 altogether. I could do it like how it is performed above. But let's say I didn't know that, and these numbers look very intimidating as I'm going to go find the difference. I can plot that on my number line like this. So I'm almost walking up to 82. So I'm adding 1, adding 2, or not adding, I'm sorry. I'm just showing the difference because I know that I'm increasing, but it's asking me to subtract. Like we talked about, we want to know what is 82 minus 79 because I want to find the difference. I want to find the space in between these two numbers. So this is just showing the space between those two numbers. So I know that if I go to 1 up from 79, that's going to be 80. And if I add 2 more, that's going to get me to 82. So the difference between 79 and 82 is 3, because this is the space that we traveled all together.